Moradabad, known as the City of Brass, exports some of the most beautiful crafts to all over the world. But unfortunately, this place was also known for exporting something else: the polio virus. In 2012, India celebrated 1 year of being polio-free. CORE Group played an integral role in making this happen. To eradicate polio from India, CORE Group applied its time-tested model for effective collaboration. The CORE Group Secretariat Model has met success in 14 countries to fight malaria, pandemic flu, polio, and improve maternal and child health. The Secretariat team efficiently extends the resources and expertise of multilaterals and local governments. This small team of experts serve as a neutral, trusted partner. They unite non-governmental organizations to leverage their field expertise and influence at the community level. The CORE Group Secretariat Model and its respective team is a dynamic network which exponentially increases the impact on hard-to-reach populations. Before, international and local partners worked hard to fight polio, but not necessarily in the most coordinated, efficient manner. Thanks to the Secretariat Model, efforts were streamlined, resulting in reaching more than 21 million people annually.
The Secretariat actually provides a neutral space for working together for collaboration without any competition between the partners.
We trust each other, we respect each other, and we have a good communication among ourselves. So these are the basics for building a good partnership among different agencies working for any program.
So we have learned to work together. So we have developed a mechanism of having coordination. Each partner was having initially some kind of a strength.
The Secretariat Model harnesses those strengths to maximize the impact on underserved high-risk populations. In Moradabad, there was a strong resistance to the polio vaccine among many Muslim families. One mother, Suraiya Jabin, refused to vaccinate her 5 young children.
People talked about how the vaccine could harm my children and cause them to be infertile.
The social mobilizer in the area worked endlessly to reach Suraiya. She held mothers' meetings and reached out to local political and religious leaders to help families understand the vaccine's benefits.
We first spoke about other diseases that kill children, then eventually talked about polio and why children should be immunized.
People developed trust because the teams were willing to help with other conditions.
Eventually, the teamwork paid off. Suraiya vaccinated her children and began sharing information with others.
And as a result, her entire neighborhood, her relatives, everybody was convinced.
The Secretariat Model brings together all the partners, especially the NGO community, which is already working with some of the hardest to reach populations.
Joint efforts make all the difference. Working together with all the partners, WHO, Rotary, UNICEF, and CGPP, is a coordinated and joint effort. Collaboration and working together makes all the difference.
The CORE Group Secretariat Model provides a neutral, transparent space for efficient collaboration without competition. It truly personifies CORE Group's mission in action. We're stronger and better when we work together.